Hello, you are looking for a 3D CAD file for a product sold by the Sporlan division of Parker Hannifin Corporation. I'd like to show you one or two methods to obtain that CAD file. You can go to our website by typing in www.sporlan.com in your web browser and hitting enter. This will take you to Sporlan division's landing page for the Parker Hannifin Corporation. You can then scroll down to our support box where you'll see that you can get resources such as literature, CAD files, videos, demos, training, etc. Simply tap on the Browse Library button there. Then you will scroll down. You'll notice there's a CAD search link here. Tap on CAD search. This will bring you to a search by term area where you could key in the item number or product description in this area that you're looking for. I'll use a BQ, one of our expansion valve bodies, as an example. You would then hit the search button, and then the results are shown below. You'll see here that we're just now viewing 10 of 43 different results. You can scroll down until you see the Load More button to see additional item numbers in that BQ result. You'll also see that we have downloadable STP files. We also do have, for some products, IGES or IPT files for downloading. The vast majority are STP. You would then tap on that icon. We will ask once for you to complete this asset download form that you see here on the screen. You would then submit that. That enables us to learn who is accessing the CAD files for our products. Once you do that, you'll be able to download the 3D CAD file for your use in your system design. If you're unable to find a CAD file on our website, you can always reach out to us by clicking on the Contact Us button. That will take you to a form that you could fill out, let us know how we can help you, and then submit that. Or you can additionally, as an alternate, reach out to our Sporlan tech support team at the phone number, fax number, or email address that you see on your screen now. Hope that helps you find the CAD files of Sporlan products. Thank you.